Hi guys, welcome to my channel How to Tie Scarf. My name is Elena and in today's video I'll show you how to wear a Russian shawl. I received this beautiful shawl from Russia as a gift. Thank you so much. It's very big. It's about 43 inches. And sometimes we have it, but we don't know what to do with it, what we can do with it. I'll show you a few different ways. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because this is a series about Russian shawls and I will do a few more videos about it. If you like it, subscribe. And now let's get started. The first style is some kind of variation of traditional Russian style. We need to fold our shawl as a triangle, cover the head and equalize the ends. Now we just wrap our neck with one end and hide it. The second end we leave as it is. It's very easy. Et voila! Our look is ready. This style is great for freezing and windy weather. For the second style, we fold the shawl as a triangle and cover the head. And now we will need a bracelet. We just thread the ends through the bracelet and tie it at the back. Et voila! Our second look is ready. We can also do it a little bit different. If you like this kind of shawls, check the link in the description for some beautiful wool Russian shawls. The next style will show the most of pattern of our shawl. We fold the edge of our shawl to hide the fringe, cover the head and tie the ends. It looks like a Russian doll, but this is not our look. And now we tie the ends behind and cover the shoulders with the long part. This way, the most of pattern is on the back. Or we just bring the long part forward. Et voila! Our third look is ready. Which look do you prefer? I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you soon. Bye!